everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make half double crochet stitches. In this video I show you how to make half double crochet stitches. This is front of work, back of work. I show in this small sample. In this video I want to show you how to make half double crochet stitches. In here I use 5mm acrylic yarn and 5mm hook. You can use any yarn and hook. We will start by making a slip knot. I show you how to make a slip knot in here like this. Take tail of yarn. Put yarn on your finger, on the index finger, like this. Take this yarn, continue like this. Take tail of yarn, put on finger, bring two yarns together. Hold tail of yarn and fix like this. Insert your hook under working yarn. This is working yarn. What's coming from the bowl, that's just called the working yarn. This is working yarn. Insert your hook under working yarn. I show. Pull on this yarn, tail of yarn, like this, and tie yarn. We have a slip knot. I show. Insert your hook. Now we are going to work on foundation chains. We are going to chains as many as chains and as we want our projects. I need 20 chains. Take a slip knot and chaining. Hold with your fingers, yarn over, pull up this yarn, make chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 chains in here. I want to make 20 stitches. In here, take skip one chain, go to next chain. For make half double crochet stitch, continue like this. Skip one chain, go to next chain, yarn over, insert your hook into next chain, pull up this yarn. Now we have 3 yarns on hook. I show one more, yarn over, insert your hook, skip one chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, put roll of them together, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, put roll up them, go to next chain, pull through, yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, I show, and repeat. Make 1 half double crochet in each chain, yarn over, insert your hook, put roll up them, pull up yarn, put roll up them, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up yarn, put roll up them, and repeat. I made this stitch, yarn over, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them in last chain, repeat. I show. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 with first chains. We skip one chain, 20 stitches in total. Make one chain and go to next row, turn the work, yarn over, I show. We have 2 yarns in top of this stitches look like a chain. We can count stitches from these chains. I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 stitches in here. 2 yarns look like a chain. We should take 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the sole and take 2 yarns on hook. I show. Take these chains on hook, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, yarn over, take this chain, I show, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, and repeat. I show in this row yarn over, take 2 loops, unhook. Make half double crochet stitches I show in last stitch, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, go to last stitch, yarn over, take 2 loops, pull up yarn, pull through, add 1 chain, turn the work, continue same as before, rows, yarn over, take this chain on your hook, pull through all of them, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, pull through, pull through, and repeat. I make more rows and make it more simple for show you like these rows. I made these rounds. We have half double crochet stitches in this pattern. I show into last stitches, yarn over, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, go to last stitch, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. I made half double crochet stitches in this video. Bye.